Hello YouTube. Today we're going to be talking about something different. Basically, it's a tweet that that I saw on the internet. If this goes through, this could be the end of this channel or the end of YouTube, or a lot of channels out there. Just the way that's that this is gonna affect. So today, I want to bring something real serious that's gonna be happening with YouTube and the YouTube community. All the updates from YouTube, it's gonna change the way you see the videos, our videos as content creators, or individual channels, smaller channels and large channels. And we're going to be talking about how you can help small channels out, other channels for the YouTube community. Alright, the tweet is by Jonathan. Why aren't the videos in my subscription feed in chronological order anymore? And then YouTube answered or replied, just to clarify, we are currently experimenting with how to show content in the subfeeds. We find that some viewers are able to more easily find videos they want to watch when we order the subs feeds in personalized order, or against always showing most recent video first. Yeah, it's scary from a YouTuber's point of view. Now YouTuber has the power, I guess, with this tweet that they said that they have the power to in the sub box, instead of putting newer videos that that you subbed from the channels that you subbed. Now they're gonna be putting viral videos that they think that you wanna watch, instead of the ones you subscribe to. Yeah, YouTube is now upgrading their website, and they're pretty much, it's gonna be harder for us as a small content creator, as a small channel, to grow, or even the bigger ones. I mean, it's going to be harder for them to stay, at the top as they always been. So if this update takes place, or if this goes through, YouTube is going to basically handpick all the videos they want you to watch into this the sub box. Basically, the sub box is where all the videos from where you subscribed, when it shows the latest that your subscribed channels, content creators made, how it says 4 hours, 1 hour. So, well, now it's not gonna be like that. Now it's gonna be what YouTube wants you to watch as a viral video. Something that's everybody's watching. Now they're gonna put it on your sub box. Basically, the sub box is not enough now. The subscribe, it's not enough. There's the way YouTube's doing this, it's crazy. Yeah, now that this is happening, they're pushing viral video, instead of pushing viral videos to the side of the side bar, or the suggested videos. Now it's going to be on the sub box. Yeah, well, channels like myself, 2Head147, we're struggling to grow our channels, and now with this, we're not going to be in people's sub box. We're going to be way down, and other viral videos that are being watched by everybody, they're going to be on the top. So it's going to be even harder for us to grow as a YouTuber. The sub box is somewhere where us the smaller YouTubers actually survive, or can survive, because if somebody subscribes to my channel, and if I put a new video out, it's gonna be on their sub box as a new video. A lot of this it's gonna make YouTubers quit, or instead of making it a full-time YouTuber's job, it's gonna be a part-time. It's just gonna be harder. Like I said, you know, a lot of us, or depending on if it's bad or if it's good, it will make a lot of us quit. Alright, well, what can you do as a viewer to help us out? Support the people you watch by clicking the subscribe channel, the subscribe button, and the bell notification. Just remember that the bell notification has the always and off position. So always put it on the always when you hit the bell icon, and that'll certainly help the people you watch, the channels. By clicking the notification button or the little bell icon and putting it to always, it helps that YouTuber or that channel to be on your sub box, so you can see their videos up on the top as your subscribed channels. Another way you can help is by clicking the like button and subscribing and commenting. This will definitely help us keep be at your sub box, or at the top of the videos that you watch. Another way you can help YouTubers out is by sending Patreon, donating, or buying the YouTubers merchandise. I'm a smaller channel, so don't have any donation sites or any merchandise, no shirts or nothing. I don't sell anything yet because I am a smaller channel. You can basically send a mail. I do have my PO box address added to every video on the bottom. If you guys want to send something in, if you guys wanted me to review something, you can always send me something, even if it's a smaller item. If you guys want me to review it, I will go ahead and do that for you. Well, my concern is that YouTube not pushing tool review channels, since it's not a viral topic. It's tool reviews or tools, they're not really viral. My concern about all this is that since we're not viral, we're not gonna make it to your sub boxes and as many other YouTubes like myself. That's basically our concern, that what's gonna happen from now on. Yes, support your subscribed channels is very huge to help them out. So we are going to see how this update it's gonna help, if it's gonna help us or if it's gonna take us to the ground, make us disappear. We'll soon find out how this is gonna affect us. So yeah, well, I got more tool review videos coming up within the next few days. I also got some videos from the solar box I'm building. They're coming up. Yeah, well, that's it for today. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one.